everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to enable fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp. Now to begin the process, open the WhatsApp application at first. Once you open the WhatsApp, you need to tap on the three-dotted vertical line on the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Inside Setting, you need to tap on Accounts on the screen page. Here on the Accounts, you need to tap on Privacy. Inside Privacy page, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the fingerprint lock. Tap that. To enable the fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp, you need to tap on the toggle, move it to the right side. Confirm fingerprint. Now here you need to provide the fingerprint. Once the confirmation is done, when enabled, you will need to use fingerprint to open the WhatsApp application. You can answer your calls even after the WhatsApp is logged. So this is how you can enable fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.